In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a large file to Dropbox. First, you will want to launch Dropbox on your device. If you are using a desktop, this means opening the Dropbox application from your computer. You can find the Dropbox icon usually located on your taskbar or in the Applications folder. For mobile users, simply tap the Dropbox app on your device's home screen. Once you have launched Dropbox, you will be greeted by your file dashboard. This is where all your stored files are visible. Understanding how to navigate this space is crucial because it sets the groundwork for the steps ahead. You are now ready to move forward with your file upload. Next, click on the folder where you want to upload your large file. This action is important because selecting the correct folder organizes your files efficiently. You want to ensure that your large file is placed in the right location for easy access later. On the desktop, you can navigate through your folders in the left sidebar or main window. On mobile, tap through the folders until you reach the desired destination. Once you are in the correct folder, you will have a clear sense of where your uploaded file will reside, making it easier to find later. Now, drag and drop your large file or folder into this folder. This method is particularly user-friendly and efficient. On a desktop, simply locate the file you wish to upload on your computer, click and hold the mouse button, then drag the file over to the Open Dropbox folder. You will notice a visual change that indicates you're ready to drop the file. Release the mouse button to drop the file into the folder. On mobile, you can tap the plus icon to select the file, but dragging and dropping is faster on a desktop. This step is crucial because it initiates the upload process, allowing your files to be stored securely in the cloud. Once your file is dropped, you will see a progress indicator showing the upload status. This visual feedback is reassuring as it confirms that your file is being uploaded to Dropbox. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a few moments. Larger files can take longer, so patience is key. You can continue working on other tasks while the upload completes. This flexibility is one of the benefits of using Dropbox. It helps streamline your workflow. After the upload is complete, you will receive a notification that the file has successfully uploaded. You might notice the file appearing in the list of items in your selected folder. This confirmation is essential as it tells you that your file is now safely stored in the cloud. You can rest assured that your important documents, photos, or videos are accessible from any device with Dropbox. This seamless access is one of the major advantages of using cloud storage. In conclusion, uploading large files to Dropbox is a straightforward process. By launching Dropbox, selecting the appropriate folder, and using the drag and drop method, you can quickly store your files in the cloud. Remember, ensuring that your files are organized in the right folders is vital for efficient retrieval later. If you follow these steps, you will have no trouble uploading large files to Dropbox in the future. Thank you for watching, and happy uploading.